Slide 1. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Slide 2. Fundamentals of artificial intelligence. The foundations, principles, and roots of artificial intelligence, AI, should be found in various sciences that together form today's AI. These sciences include philosophy, mathematics, economics, computer engineering, neuroscience, psychology, linguistics, control theory, and cybernetics. Slide 9. How do humans and animals think and act? Imagine a competition to exit a labyrinth, and your friend gives you a map of the labyrinth overnight. You use a pencil to repeatedly draw the path to the exit and find the best and fastest route. Craig says that if we have a small model of external reality and possible actions, we can test different options and achieve the best result. At that point, we manage the future better and are more prepared for future conditions and emergencies. To do this, we need to take 3 steps. First, identify the external environment and stimuli and design it as a small, testable model. The labyrinth map in our example is the design of the external environment. Second, test new actions based on the results of various actions. In the labyrinth example, finding the exit is done by drawing. Third, store the results and compare them with previous results to achieve the best outcome. In psychology, to achieve human-computer interaction, intelligence enhancement and AI are discussed. The first suggests that computers, instead of automating human tasks, should enhance human capabilities, and the latter emphasizes the intelligent behavior of the device. Slide 10. How can we build an efficient computer? With scientific progress and successive generations of computers, imagination has become reality. Our world is full of wonders. The change in computer generations and the growth of technology is astonishingly fast. In 2025, before the growth likely brought about by quantum computing, introducing 3 AI acceleration processors is noteworthy. The Graphics Processing Unit, GPU, is a specialized electronic circuit initially designed for digital image processing and accelerating computer graphics. However, given GPU's ability to perform intensive and superior computational tasks, they have been used in various fields, including AI. The Tensor Processing Unit, TPU, is a hardware piece designed by Google, specifically optimized for accelerating machine learning and AI operations. Unlike the GPU, which is designed for graphical processing, TPUs are specifically designed for executing deep learning models and neural networks. TPUs can perform a large number of complex mathematical operations simultaneously, making them highly efficient for AI-related tasks. These units are specifically optimized for executing TensorFlow models, which is one of the most popular machine learning libraries. Finally, the wafer-scale engine is a type of processor that, instead of using multiple small chips, uses a large, integrated chip. This large chip is the size of a silicon wafer. These types of processors are highly efficient for performing complex and heavy computations, such as machine learning and AI. Due to their large size and integration, they can perform numerous operations simultaneously, making them highly suitable for big data and complex computations. Additionally, the growth of articles and scientific results in operating systems, computer architecture, algorithms, especially AI algorithms, programming languages, and many other fundamental aspects has built and refined active AI foundations, all originating from computer engineering. Slide 11. Control theory and cybernetics. How can artifacts operate autonomously? From ancient times to the present, various inventions have been made by humans, which operate differently depending on climatic conditions and, in the absence of an intelligent being, react to the conditions that have arisen. For example, the water clock of Alexandria, which, 250 years before Christ, indicated time with a fixed and precise rate regulator, or the water structures of Shushtar in Iran, which, 2,000 years ago, increased water height by up to 3 meters, opened dam gates according to rainfall, and activated mills based on dry climatic conditions in the area. These are called self-controlling machines. The water clock is an example of a self-controlling machine without feedback, and the water structure of Stuart is an example of a self-controlling machine with feedback, meaning that the dam gate's opening depends on rainfall, and environmental impacts directly affect this self-controlling machine. Simply put, the main goal of control theory is to design and implement algorithms and systems that adjust a system's performance so that its output, with stable and precise behavior, reaches the intended goal. Purposeful behavior results from a supervisory mechanism that strives to minimize error. What is cybernetics? Cybernetics is an interdisciplinary field that studies the behavior of automatic systems, feedback, and control. This science seeks to understand how information is transmitted in various systems and how it can be used to control and optimize system performance. AI and control theory both strive towards their goals using mathematical techniques, matrix algebra, and algorithms. However, the main difference lies in AI's ability to overcome the limitations of mathematics and computations, as issues like language, vision, and planning are completely beyond the control of theorists. Slide 12. Linguistics. How is language connected to thinking? Humans use language, which includes words, sentences, literary and syntactic structures, metaphors, and analogies to produce, express, and imagine thoughts. Following these rules makes an intelligent being truly smart. Computational linguistics is a branch of computer science and linguistics that studies and analyzes human language using mathematical, statistical, and algorithmic methods. The main goal of this field is to develop systems that can automatically process, understand, and even generate natural language. Computational linguistics holds a special place in AI and is one of the most important aspects of natural language processing. This science seeks to enable machines to accurately and meaningfully analyze human text or speech and produce text or speech similar to humans. This science plays a very important role in developing systems such as chatbots, translation systems, and content generation systems. With recent advancements in deep learning and neural networks, machines' capabilities in understanding and generating language have significantly increased. In conclusion, I invite you to watch a short film about the 18th century poet Hafez Shirazi.
اینه که حافظ یک رفتار گناه‌آلود رو داره توجیه میکنه و میگه معذورم بداره، اینو ببخش دیگه حالا این دفعه رو. در تمام این بیت ما 9 بار صدای سه میشنویم. تراکم عجیبیه، یعنی انگار مثل این بیمارستانه تابلو گذاشتن یکی داره بین خودمون باشه. رشته تسبیح اگر بکسست معزه با سه هم مخرجه، معذورم بدا دست من در ساعد ساقی سیمسا. همزمان که داره حرف میزنه با تو صدای سکوت و درخواست سکوت رو اعلام میکنه. میگه چشمم از آینه داران خط و خالش گشت. آینه دار همیشه چشم باز به زیبایی و من و شما به شکل طبیعی به نشانه شگفتی دهانمون باز میمونه. از چشمم لبتون به هم نمیخوره تا آخر مثل. چشمم از آینه داران خط و خالش گشت. لب به هم نمیخوره برای تلفظ. دهان خود به خود نیم باز یا باز. شکل شگفتی. وقتی کار حافظ خیلی برجسته میشه که مثل دومو میخونیم. تصویری از بوسیدن یار رو بیان میکنه. میگه لبم از بوسه ربایان بر و دوشش باد، یعنی الهی که من بتونم او رو ببوسم. تراکم مصوت بلند او و مصوت کوتاه او، مصوت بلند او و مصوت کوتاه او باعث میشه در بیشتر لحظات تلفظ مصرع دوم دهان به شکل جمع شده و حالت بوسه در میاد. لبم از بوسه ربایان بر و
Thank you very much for your time. I hope you choose me, Alireza Khoshzaban, as a good guide on your journey.